In order to install the secured video channel with our medical center, copy the invitation link from the email and insert it to the address bar of your web browser. In the appeared window, you will see a proposal to register in the system. Enter your first name and your second name, and then click the Join button. After that, you will be offered to download the program Vidyo Desktop. Install the program following the instructions indicated in this video clip. As soon as the program is installed, you need to enter the PIN indicated in the email. Confirm the input by clicking the OK button. That is it. We are in touch.